Assalamu alaikum, Miss Fatma is speaking. Welcome to English course. Today, inshallah, I'll review with you the present simple, present continuous, past continuous, and some exercises related to prepositions. Okay, let's start. Here, um, the first question, I space a shower every day. Okay, just here. Okay, every day refers to present simple. Okay, refers to a habitual action. هنا بالدالة على عادة. Okay, على حدث على عادة في كل يوم. Every day كل يوم. إذا بتدل على okay refers to a habit العادة. So هنا we need present simple. I and the subject I. Okay, I take. Okay, without as. لا يستخدم معه as with the verb in present simple. I take a shower every day. It's incorrect to say I'm taking. I'm taking refers to the continuity. Okay, الاستمرارية. took في past simple. takes لو قلنا هنا أحمد takes. جوان takes. She takes. He takes. Okay, but I take, they take, we take. Okay, yes. Here, okay, it's a nice day today. Okay, the sun space, the sun shines, is shining, shined, or shine. Here, okay, it's a nice day today. اليوم جميل. Okay, اليوم today طول اليوم هنا all the day means that today all the day. كل ساعات اليوم حيكون الجو لطيف وجميل. فهنا the sun is shining. is shining. ما بنحكي هنا the sun shines. the sun shines وقتاش احنا بنقول هنا shines في حالة إنها refers to facts. لا, scientific facts, حقيقة علمية, we use present simple. But here, okay, in this example or in this question refers to present continuous استمرارية. Now, it's a nice day today. طول اليوم حيكون الجو جميل. لذلك so the sun is shining. تنتبهوا هنا يا صبايا ويا شباب في الاختيارات. هل according to okay the tense of the sentence حسب زمن الجملة الدال عليها هل هي present simple, present continuous, past simple or past continuous. Okay, yes. Okay, present simple. Here we have a grammar spot. في عنا هنا it's very necessary to pay attention to these points. Here, okay, add es if the verb ends in sh, ch, ss, x, or double z. For example, wash, washes, okay, watch, watches, fix, fixes, okay, and here, okay, yes, and catch, catches, okay, pass, passes, okay. If the verb ends in a consonant plus okay y إذا انتهى الحرف الكلمة الفعل سوري هنا بحرف ساكن قبل بالواي وقبله حرف ساكن change the y to I and add es. For example, study. هنا the verb ends with y preceded by a consonant letter, so we change y to I and add es. Studies. Try, tries. Okay, if the verb ends in a vowel plus y إذا كان الفعل انتهى y and preceded with a vowel just we add s. نضيف s. pay, pays, buy, buys. هنا شايفين هنا in this verb في هذا الفعل buy y preceded with a vowel letter. Okay, so we add just s. مهم جدا تعرف الجزئية هذه بخصوص present simple. Okay, here, okay, Ahmed space football every weekend. Every weekend. Yes, here, okay. Here we have, okay, a habit. Yes. So Ahmed plays football. He plays, okay, football every weekend. طب لو هنا حكينا أحمد and محمود play. they play, we play, you play, I play. اوكي in present simple في المضارع البسيط. طيب أمل space English at إسراء University. هنا general facts. تمام، حقيقة عامة بشكل عام هي حاليا. فهنا بنقول أمل studies ولا أمل studies or studying. yes أمل studies at English at إسراء University. هنا ما حطيناش هنا studies لأنه إيش the verb ends with y and preceded with a consonant بحرف ساكن, so we change okay I to sorry we change you y to I and add es studies. okay هنا studying, what is the auxiliary or helping verb to express present continuous. المفروض يكون هنا is studying مثلا نقول أمل is studying English at إسراء University now and now الآن. لكن هنا general أمل studies English at إسراء University. تمام. Yes, here okay we have non-progressive verbs, which means stative verbs. Stative verbs means not dynamic. Okay, ما فيش فيها هنا حركة. Okay, so these are stative verbs such as be. be قصده فيها هنا الverb to be is am are. هنا ما أقول لك مثلا I'm a lecturer at إسراء University. Juan is a student. تمام. فهنا الverb to be as a main verb okay is a stative verb. Here يسمع, prefer, believe. believe بمعنى هنا okay يعتقد, نعم. no okay no. see بمعنى هنا see I see you I understand. إذا كانت معنى see معنى understand أو yes belong ينتمي, like يحب, think equal or means okay meaning هنا think equal, believe in meaning yes means believe okay hate يكره, love يحب, understand, need, want, have has the same meaning of possess, own. تمام. Let's okay do some exercises or questions related to that. Here we have I space some clouds in the sky. I'm seeing or sees seeing some clouds. أنا أرى بعض الغيوم in the sky في السماء. I see هنا جماعة الحواس see, hear, smell. تمام. taste okay في هذه الحواس نستخدمها just in simple tenses. okay we don't use these verbs in progressive or ing okay tenses. لا تستخدم في الأزمنة المستمرة. I see some clouds okay. لكن هنا لكن الفيرب look بيجي ممكن نستخدمه في البريزنت كونتينوس. بقول لك مثلا I'm looking at the board now. تمام. طيب هنا space you space جوان at the party. هنا we have question mark. so هنا بنقول إن does you see it's incorrect. طيب did you saw it's incorrect. في الباست simple أصلا ما بنستخدم ال origin of the verb أصل الفعل. تمام. طب are you seeing جوان at the party. هنا يا جماعة بمعنى seeing بمعنى meeting قابلتي. هل قابلت جوان في الحفلة؟ فهنا بنستخدم ل ing tense في الأزمنة المستمرة. فاستخدمنا are you seeing جوان at the party. yes عندنا are you meeting هل قابلتي. تمام. لكن بمعنى see يرى الحواس تستخدم just في السمبل tenses في الأزمنة البسيطة. ولكن إذا بمعنى seeing بمعنى see إذا أجت معنى understand أو معنى meet we can use ing tense. ممكن نستخدم الزمن المستمر فيها. خطأ نقول is you seeing. تمام. إذن so the best answer is are you seeing جوان at the party. okay Anwar space a car. Anwar هنا we need okay just to choose the negative form here. Anwar doesn't have or isn't having, doesn't has or having. هلا هنا have the main verb here okay in this sentence is okay have or has. yeah هنا أنور هياخد has. أنور has a car. لكن أنور and نوران have a car. تمام. هنا المفرد تاخد أنور has, جوان has, he has, she has. ولكن to make negative تمام نعمل to make negatives بدنا ننفي. هنقول هنا لأنها بمعنى on or possess we need helping verb فعل مساعد. هنقول أنور doesn't have ونحط أصل الفعل. خطأ نقول هنا doesn't has. إياكي خطأ. إذا نقول إيش we okay put the origin verb after the auxiliary or helping to make negatives. Doesn't have. So Anwar doesn't have a car. He doesn't have. Juan doesn't have. Okay. But لو إحنا استخدمنا أنور and Nuran don't have. Okay. طيب if I ask you to make okay yes no question. Does Anwar have a car? Again, does Anwar or he have a car? Yes, he has, or no he doesn't have. بدكم تركزوا فيها، هذه مهمة جدا. هنا لو أنا بدي أعمل لكم إياها مهم جدا ننتبه يا صبايا يا شباب للجزئية هذه. To make yes no question. Does تمام he have a car? Okay. Does he have a car? Okay. Yes. Okay. He has, yes he has. Or if you say okay no he doesn't okay have. Then does he have a car? Yes he has, or no he doesn't have. وقيسي ذلك على كل الضمائر. ولكن إذا كان هنا they مثلا do they have a car? Do you have a car? okay. هنا بمعنى possess or own يملك. تمام. طيب I space to make a cake today. Today هنا معناها all the day طول اليوم. So we need present continuous. But here okay we have need a stative verb not dynamic. لا يستخدم stative okay stative verbs don't use in ing tenses. لا تستخدم في الأزمنة المستمرة. So the best answer is I need to make a cake today. It's incorrect to say I'm needing or I needed. Sorry, needed هنا عشان هنا today refers to the continuity الاستمرارية. تمام. needs okay she needs, he needs, Juan needs, Hassan needs. But here I need to make a cake today. Yes, I space you will get high marks. هنا I think أعتقد you will get high marks. It's incorrect to say I'm thinking. This is a stative verb, not dynamic. So we use in present in simple tenses في الأزمنة البسيطة. I think you'll get high marks. Okay. Here, okay, question. Okay, we have a question. So, okay, does Hassan has? We need the origin verb of has, have. Okay, do Hassan have? It's incorrect. So, the best answer, does Hassan have a car? Yes, he has, or no, he doesn't have. Yes. I'm hearing a bird. It is singing. Okay, correct or incorrect. So, yes, you just try to identify if the sentence is correct or incorrect. Yeah, of course. Okay, the sentence is incorrect. Why? Because here the verb here, okay, is a stative verb من الأفعال الstative, not dynamic. So we use this verb in simple tenses في الأزمنة البسيطة. Who can correct? Okay, who can correct that? Yes, I hear a bird. It is singing. Excellent. Yes, I'm hungry. I space a sandwich here. Okay, I'm hungry. I want a sandwich. Okay, هنا يا جماعة برضو هنا want is a stative verb برضو فعل stative not dynamic, so we don't use okay stative verbs in ing tenses, but we use these verbs in simple tenses في الأزمنة البسيطة. تمام. لو هنا لكن لو قلت مثلا I'm hungry أنا جوعان، لو في مثلا أوكي أنا ضرب مثلا if we have the verb eat I'm hungry I'm eating now ممكن I'm eating yes. لكن هنا عشان want stative verb so we use in simple tenses في الأزمنة البسيطة. طيب do you like Chinese food? Okay, just okay to give short answer. Yes, the short answer here is yes I do or yes I do. أنا عملت للتشاينيز. هنا بقول لك do you like هل تحبي أو هل تحب أنت الأكل الصيني، فهنا بنفعش نقول yes I do. هنا I'm asking not okay of making Chinese food. أنا ما بسألكش عن إنك بتعد or okay I'm not asking about okay do you prepare or make okay Chinese, but I'm asking about your feelings عن مشاعرك هل تحب أم لا. فهنا the best answer yes I like yes I like. لكن هنا if the answer no I don't like أنا لا أحب أنا أحب نعم أحب yes I like. تمام. انتبهوا للجزئية هذه يا صبايا ويا شباب. Okay, space the students. Okay, and we have another space. A test in class right now. الآن. Okay, refers to present continuous للزمن المستمر. Okay, so and we have the students. Okay, plural students. So the best answer is are the students taking a test in class right now. طيب هنا طب لو كان هنا the student without s the student قصدنا هنا الطالب. What is the best answer? Is the student taking a test in class. لكن the students الطلاب are the students taking a test in the class right now. انتبهوا هنا when you want to choose the best answer okay you need to identify the tense of the sentence. مهم جدا تحددوا زمن الجملة according to the situation in context في سياق المعنى. مش شرط انها تكون في عندك كلمة دالة الكيوردز or adverbs. بالإضافة إلى ذلك so after that you need to look to the subject of the sentence or بدك بشكل عام بدك تحدد الفاعل okay if the subject is singular or a plural. Okay, so if the subject is a singular or a plural مفرد أم جمع بناء عليها نكمل نختار هنا is taking or are taking or whatever. تمام. طب هلا the baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping now. The baby space for 10 hours every night. هنا the baby sleeps every night كل يوم. تمام. هنا every night كل ليلة سوري. هنا the baby sleeps for 10 hours 10 ساعات كل ليلة. Okay, refers to a habit في عادة يومية أو في عادة في كل ليلة الطفل بينام 10 ساعات. لكن هنا the baby is sleeping now. Okay. In context حسب تحدد to identify the tense of the sentence in context في السياق العام. تمام. بالإضافة للمعنى العام. فدوى is at the picnic. She is playing basketball. The ball isn't belonging or doesn't belong here. Okay, just okay belong, this verb is a stative verb so we can't use okay this verb in ing tenses في الأزمنة المستمرة لا يستخدم. we use okay the verb belong okay in simple tenses في الأزمنة البسيطة. طيب هنا the ball is the subject. The ball is a singular هو مفرد so we need okay خطأ نستخدم belong so we omit. طيب هنا isn't belonging or doesn't so the best answer the ball doesn't belong to her. تمام. كده بنختار الإجابة الصحيحة. انتبهوا okay to the choices. Okay, Bob left his house at 8 a.m. and spaced to walk to class. Okay, here, okay, Bob left غادر منزله الساعة 8 صباحا and began to walk to class. هنا يا جماعة الباست عندنا simple. We use past simple to express about actions that started and finished in the past. بدأت وانتهت في الماضي. So here we have two actions, left and began. Okay, started and finished in the past. هدول الحدثين بدأوا وانتهوا في الماضي in the same at the same time في نفس الوقت. So we use past simple الماضي البسيط. Okay, while he spaced to class, he saw Mr. Hassan. Okay, here. Okay, while is عندنا قاعدة while when we use عندنا okay past simple and okay past continuous. We have two parts. Okay, one part we use past simple and the second part okay whatever يعني ممكن بشكل عام إنهم okay two parts. واحد بيكون one of them past simple and other past continuous, and sometimes we have past simple or past continuous according to the situation حسب الموقف. لكن هلا to identify which is past simple or past continuous according to what. هلا بدك تحددي مين الماضي البسيط ومين الماضي المستمر. هلا بالنسبة we have continuity استمرارية started okay and have okay continuity in the past في استمرارية في حدوث الشيء، لكن في الماضي بنستخدم ال past continuous، لكن ال past simple started and finished in the past. في عنا two actions. Okay, the second action okay the first action interrupted with the second one. الحدث الأول تم مقاطعته بالحدث الثاني. So the first action is past continuous. The second is past simple لأنه started and finished in the past. فهنا بقول لك while he was walking to class he saw Mr. Hassan. إذا كان هنا شقين واحد معطيك ماضي فسهل هنا والله while he was walking to class he saw Mr. Hassan. Which is the first action؟ هنا walking the first action. الحدث الأول بنحطه في ال past continuous. من الحدث الأول we use past continuous. The second action we use past simple. الحدث الثاني يستخدم الماضي البسيط، ولكن الحدث الأول ثاني الماضي المستمر. While he was walking to the class he saw Mr. Hassan. إذن the first action is he was walking. تمام؟ مهم جدا تنتبهوا للنقطة هذه في in the exam. Bob left his house at and began to walk to class. When I was in Chicago لما كنت في شيكاغو I visited the art museum. These two actions started and finished at the same time في نفس الوقت. هدول الحدثين بدأوا وانتهوا at the same time في نفس الوقت. So we use past simple. ما كنت في شيكاغو زرت المتحف. تمام هنا past simple. طيب ممكن هنا when the telephone rang لما رن التليفون they for example أمل and Juan were watching TV. They were watching. طيب لو كان هنا Juan was watching, Hassan was watching, he was watching, she was watching. لكن they were watching, you were watching. Yes. لكن طب لو I was watching دير بالكم هذا استثناء انتبهوا لها. I was watching فقط I بتاخد were in the past. بقول لك if I were you في الكونديشن في ال if conditions. لكن هنا نستخدم I was watching, she was watching, he was watching, Juan was watching, Hassan was watching. But they were watching, you were watching, we were watching. وهنا قاعدة when past simple the second part past continuous. لكن ليه هنا the past continuous here okay which is the first action were watching, the second action is the ringing, the telephone rang. تمام. طب after أحمد ate dinner بعد ما تناول أحمد العشاء هنا he spaced to sleep, he went to sleep ذهب إلى النوم. إذن after we use the بعد after the first action الحدث الأول in the second part we use okay the second action. إذن after بعد ما تناول وجبة العشاء هو ذهب للنوم. After Ahmed ate dinner, he went to sleep. We use past simple. The action started and finished in the past. I spaced my homework before I went. قبل الذهاب to visit my grandma. قبل ما ذهبت لزيارة جدتي. هنا I finished my homework. We use past simple. After Ahmed ate dinner, okay, he went to sleep. Yes. How much did you pay for the jacket? Pay for يدفع ثمن شيء. Yes. إذن البروبوزيشن for. Okay. The team consists of يتكون من for Europeans and 2 Americans. إذن هنا بنستخدم consist of يتكون من. Okay. مهم جدا تنتبهوا okay. 2 prepositions لا حروف الجر. Thank you.